Let's dive into this 3D printer toolkit and accessories. So my son has been really into the 3D printer lately, and he really needed to expand on his tools. So I was looking at this package and wow, I am really impressed with this. First to start, because he is a teenager, he is learning. I love that you have the finger covers here, especially if he's going to be filing. You know, you have these needles here, and you're going to file down with your needle file, so you can cover that. And then also, you know, he's going to be replacing the nozzles. Those do get very hot. He has a tool for that, but that extra like added layer of security there. And then it does come with this like razors and extra one. So I like it has a feature on it that it's going to, you know, slide all the way in. And then even the case for holding the extra ones. You have your needle nose pliers and several tweezers, all with the covering on it as well, so that it's going to keep them condensed when you're not using them. And then you have like your wire cutters here that also have the cap. So again, as far as the functions of that and keeping them when they're not in use, the cover's protected, that is great. Then you have your edging over here that comes in a nice case. Same with your drills over here. They have the case, so you have your sizes labeled in the drills, which is great. That's going to keep them nice and organized, which we could all use. And then I like that it even comes to like this pack of extra nozzle cloggers. So you know, the nozzles tend to get clogged pretty easily, so you'll be able to slide those in and get that out. We've have bought those several times, so I like that this pack includes that. And then, of course, your scrapers. Anytime that you have your design, you're trying to get it off, just to easily like lift it back off. And then the option for the two brushes, you have nylon and then the copper ones there, so that's great. I know a lot of times you have to go and clean up your design afterwards, and I know he was always stealing like my tweezers to kind of pick off the loose ends. So this way he has his full kit, you know, several tweezers, and the nail filing, or not nail filing, the files, needle files for it is going to be great. So we'll see how much he dives into the drills, but for a like starter kit, just to have everything all in one, I wish I would have bought this sooner for him. I think he would have really appreciated not having to like try to figure out things around the house to clean up his designs when they're done. So I'm really impressed with this.